Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create an account on Pictory. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to search for the Pictory website. So I'm going to write the name here, and then simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see the video, the website is here. Now simply we have to click on the website. And after clicking on the website, as you can see, the website will be look like this. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, has the free trial option. So what we have to do, we have to click on the login section. So I'm going to click on the login. If you have already created an account, then you have to click on the login. Or if you have not created an account, so I'm going to show you that how you can create an account. So we have to click on the new to Pictory and then click on the sign up. I'm going to continue with Google. So we have to click on the continue with Google. And now we need to choose the email, that which email you want to use. And I'm going to click on the continue again. And now we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, now simply we have to ask them few questions. What do you want to use Pictory? For example, for YouTube, for my clients, or for personal use. I'm going to click on this, start using Pictory. And now as you can see, now the script, all the things are provided here, script to video. And now for example, I'm going to cut this one, script to video, article to video, edit a video using text, visuals to videos. So as you can see, these are the services which is provided by the Pictory. Pictory provides these things. So in this way you can create an account on this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.